Hello. So today I wanted to tell you a bit about this idea of you first, and the idea is because women usually have a tendency to put everyone and the cat first, right? So they have a tendency to take care of others, at least some women, and so what happens is that they come last and they have a tendency to worry too much about other people and not worry enough about themselves. So the idea is that you start to put yourself first and that you really think about yourself, right? So during the day, think about it, think about how you want to feel, think about what you need to feel happy, to what do you need to have a good life. Think about you. That's the idea. And you can do a journaling question about it. You can ask, what do I need to do today for me, or what does my soul need and want? So you can ask those kind of questions to help you. So I hope it helps. Talk soon. Bye.